Add Photoshop fonts. Easy tutorial on adding new fonts. Are you sick of Comic Sans, Papyrus, and other overused fonts cluttering up your graphics? Want to use a lot of new fonts at Photoshop but don't know how? I'll show how to do it. First, get some new fonts. If you don't already have some new fonts, I highly recommend the Ultimate Font download. This package comes with 10,000 great fonts. Or, if you only need a couple of fonts, you can find and download the fonts you like from websites like Font. Preparing them. Whether you're getting your fonts from a package or a website, the files should be .rar or .zip extensions, so you have to extract them using these programs, WinRAR or WinZip. Not all of the files will work with Microsoft Windows, so you have to select the right files. If the file you choose does not work with Microsoft Windows, see step number 3. The right files. The extensions that will work with the Microsoft Windows operational system are these: .ttf, .fon and .adf. So just select the files with these extensions and copy them, Ctrl+C. Put them at the right place. If your operational system is Microsoft Windows, go to this folder, C:\Windows\fonts/ and then put the selected files there, Ctrl+V. Open the Photoshop version that you have. Select and enjoy the new fonts. They will work in the same manner as the others that you already have. Required tools: Adobe Photoshop Operational System, Microsoft Windows. Useful links: dfont.com